This is my 801 Australian AWA 1969 rotary dial telephone. So we work in order. I converted it with an RJ12 cord to plug into the jack down there for the internet. Work in order. You do the dial tone. I'll put down, show you the inside of the hand, it's all original. Original handset in the receiver, it's not being changed. Now I'm going to do a call out and ring back demonstration. I'm going to need my mobile phone. I'll show a few of the numbers. So the phone does dial out on a touch-tone system. Now I'm going to go and ring the telephone. I'm going to use my replica telephone in here. The bell's all original. Well, that's my AWA Australian 801 dial phone. That's it.